Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be making jerk chicken and festival. So these are the ingredients that I will be using. Of course my chicken is already washed and prepped. For the festival I'll be using the cornmeal, baking powder and some flour, and of course I forgot the stick butter, but I'm just gonna have to make do. Of course I don't know some apple chip, drop in my plantain. I'm gonna do some fried plantain. And for the chicken, the seasoning that I'll be using are the Kinder's all blend, the Caribbean tradition cock seasoning, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoned salt, and this is almost finished, but it's the Caribbean traditional Grace chicken seasoning. This is the best, guys. Some Walker's Wood, Big Bad Walker's Wood traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning. This, guys, is the best. Of course you can make your own jerk seasoning, but it will take like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, but you know, it never hurts to get it already made. And then the Jamaican style jerk barbecue sauce. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. So I'm gonna season my chicken and marinate it, put it in a freezer bag, Ziploc bag, to marinate for 3 hours, and then I'll get back to you guys. But in the meantime, I'm gonna prep my festival dough after I finish doing it. So if you want to see more, just stick around. What I'm about to use for my festival is some flour, cornmeal, about a pinch of salt, baking powder, some almond milk, and sugar. I'm gonna combine all the dry ingredients together and mix. Please remember to use cold water or milk. Okay guys, so I'm gonna now cover this and let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and make my will shape up my dough to be fried. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes. So I'm gonna make my dough. The chicken is out of the refrigerator. The oven is being preheated. Oh yeah, so I've lightly oiled my pan. Okay guys, so my chicken is in the oven and my oil is on the stove and it's hot, so I'm ready for my festival. So I'm gonna just break sections off and roll. So guys, festival finished. I'm gonna worry about how fat them look. Me did hungry, so and I can't stand over the stove to fry 30 or 40 fritters. Sorry festival, so and why them big so. But they are big and juicy. All this deliciousness. It's still hot. Hey guys, so it's not yet ready, but I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put some of this. I'm gonna coat the chicken with this now and put it back in the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it should be done. And I baked this at 450 degrees for 1 hour and 30 minutes. But you can go for 1 hour or 2 hours, depends on what you want. Okay guys, this is the end result, and I'm going to serve it now with my vegetable. Okay guys, this is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. These are 5 plantains, jerk chicken, and vegetable. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please remember to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.